So YouTube seems to be getting rid of the full screen option. No, I am not kidding. Everybody thinks that this seems to be a bug, but for some reason, YouTube seems to have been having a lot of bugs with their UI. People were noticing about 3 weeks ago that their view counts and upload dates were getting hidden. A lot of people were noticing that the like button on the videos that they were watching were gone, and they were noticing that the comments on a lot of the videos they were watching are gone. And everyone kept saying, oh, this is just a bug, right? Well, why does YouTube seem to be having all these weird bugs with their UI, which is normally associated with them rolling out an update without telling us? This person commented and said, what's happening to my full screen? This is my full screen all of a sudden. I can't get that bottom part to go away. Any help? So as you can see, they have it on full screen, but the bottom part of the window is still there. Somebody said scroll up, and they said, believe it or not, I did try this. Then I'm out of options. Sorry. Some people suggested using the middle button mouse wheel, and basically it doesn't work either. So everybody has chalked it up to either a glitch or a bug. But again, this seems pretty coincidental that YouTube seems to be having all of these random bugs with their UI all of a sudden. This should be obvious based on the comments I've made in my other videos, but no, I don't think that YouTube is going to get rid of the full screen tab permanently or anything. I titled these videos to make the point that YouTube seems to be maybe testing out ways to get rid of some of these features, because a lot of times they seem to try to emulate Netflix. For example, Netflix doesn't have a traditional like or dislike button, and they don't have comments. Again, this is all just a theory, but even for those of you guys who are skeptics about videos like this, you guys have to admit that it is so weird that YouTube is having all of these UI bugs all of a sudden. I've been using YouTube literally since 2006 as a 7-year-old kid, and I don't remember the last time that YouTube had this many bugs in UI in this short amount of time. There have been hundreds of screenshots I've seen on Reddit about people saying their full screen tab doesn't work. This person said, whenever I full screen a video, the bottom part of the YouTube UI keeps on showing, screenshot attached. I've tried 2 different browsers and it's same on both of them. So this person literally tried switching browsers and it hasn't worked either. Here's another one where somebody says YouTube fixed your full screen bug, and as you can see, that bottom part of that UI is still on their screen. Here's another one, fix the full screen, you fucks. But yeah, you can see the bottom part of that UI again. So I don't know why YouTube seems to be having all of these bugs, as everybody calls it. To me, I mean, I'm going to put my tinfoil hat on here. These seem like a lot of coincidental bugs that happen all of a sudden. So I really feel like that this might be some sort of experiment. What if we, change how the full screen tab works? What if we got rid of likes? What if we got rid of comments? I think that they're just slowly experimenting with things without really telling us. Here's another one. This one claims that it's mainly happening on Chrome, where they say, I was hoping someone could help fix this issue that has all of a sudden started for me today. When I go full screen on a YouTube video, it does an overlay at the bottom, similar to when in full screen and then scrolling down. After some testing, I've come to the conclusion that it is only happening when I watch a video from my channel. Signing out and watching works fine, or signing into a different account works fine. This is my main account that it is happening to, and I don't really want to put myself through the pain of starting fresh on a new account. Any help or insight would be incredibly appreciated. This actually gives more evidence to my little theory that this could actually be an experiment from YouTube, because a lot of times when YouTube rolls out an experiment, it'll work on some YouTube channels but not others. For example, I have 2 YouTube accounts, as you guys know, Deep Humor and DH Gaming, which is my gaming channel. There are times when I have an update rolled out to me on the gaming channel, like let's say a UI update, that isn't available to me on the Deep Humor channel yet, because the update has rolled out to one channel but not another, if that makes sense. So the fact that this person is saying that it is only happening to them on the main channel suggests that it actually is a change that YouTube actually implemented or experimented with. Like I said, it could be a bug, it could be a glitch. Obviously, I don't have all the answers, I don't know for sure. But from what he just said, it creates a little bit more evidence to that theory that this actually could be an intentional experiment by YouTube. I feel like DJ Khaled here, because here's another one where they say, when I press full screen, it looks like this. It doesn't go into full screen. Whoever can help me, I love you. Same thing, that whole bottom UI thing. It's really interesting. Holy crap, I just made the same post. YouTube must have done something today. YouTube full screen not working. I go to full screen and it does this. How do I make it to go to actual full screen? And nobody seems to have any actual idea, because the only suggestion people have is like, hey, log out of your YouTube account and sign into another one, or don't sign in at all. If you just use it unsigned in, sometimes the full screen tab works for these guys. And here's another one. When watching full screen, the video title and channel info still show at the bottom. This only just started happening tonight. Before it started happening, I was able to watch a video full screen with no problems. However, when I queued up a new video and hit the full screen button, now the title of the video, the channel, name, likes, etc. are visible at the bottom, and I can now scroll down and the video will completely disappear. Also, suggested videos appear at the right. It's almost like my browser forgot that the video is full screen and is merely showing it like it's a normal page that can be scrolled down despite having already hit the full screen button. The YouTube search field even appears at the top when I scroll down. I don't recall hitting any button or right-clicking any menu, so if anyone could either tell me it's happening to them as well, or if there's a fix for this, I am unable to find it anywhere else. It could be appreciated. Edit: the issue above occurred in Chrome. I tried an Internet Explorer and the video went full screen, but when you click on the chevron on the bottom of the video, it brings up the video title, etc. The same stuff that I'm seeing in Chrome, only I'm not seeing it in default in IE. No idea what is going on. I've restarted the computer and the issue persists. Everybody just saying, yeah, you might want to just switch accounts. Based on the screenshots that these guys shared, it looks like their YouTube tab is on theater mode instead of full screen mode. For example, if you were to go over to one of my videos right now, this would be the normal view on how you would see the video. This would be full screen mode. As you can see on the top, there's like a little notification that'll say youtube.com is now full screen and the video should be full screen. The only thing that should be showing on the bottom is YouTube's little scrolling bar. And now this is what the video looks like when it's in theater mode. Now, when you look at this image right here that you have in front of you, and then the one that people were sharing, it looks pretty similar. So yeah, it's almost like YouTube is having a bug where the full screen mode is going into theater mode as opposed to actually full screen, if that makes sense. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on the situation in the comments. YouTube seems to be having a lot of bugs right now with either the view count, the like tab, the comments, and now the full screen button. Thank you to all my channel members for your support. I really appreciate everybody over here. And to my DH elites, thank you guys all so much. 1911 A Person, Ryu, Stardust, Chicken, Trisha, Seth Undermore, Draus, and Blue. You guys are the real MVPs, as Kevin Durant would say. Also, thank you to all my super thanks donors. Unif Pyre, hopefully I said that right, and donated recently, so thank you so much for that. For those of you guys who are unaware, I do have a Twitter, so be sure to go follow me at Deep Humor if you guys want to know everything about what I'm doing and what I'm up to. I actually have this photo of my silver play button as my pinned tweet. A lot of you guys were asking if I have hung this up yet. It's kind of just sitting in the plastic. I don't want to get my fingertips on it yet and make it all grubby, but yeah, I'll probably hang it up soon. Be sure to come check out my Discord as well. Link will be in the description. We always have a good time in here. And I do actually have a members only part of the Discord as well. So for all the channel members, be sure to shoot me either a message on Discord or one of my mods and just let us know that you're a member. Take a screenshot of your account and I'll add you into this chat as well. Also, I'm really bad at plugging this, but I also do have a gaming channel, like I mentioned earlier in the video, DH Gaming or at Deep Humor Gaming. I'm playing mostly Minecraft and Sparking Zero right now, and I'll be playing more games that you guys have requested. I actually have hundreds of videos on this channel, so be sure to go check it out. A lot of the games that you guys have requested, I might have already played, but yeah, definitely check that channel out. Please leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more. See ya.